first step is inflating your balloon. You will take a large fan, lay that on the ground. Then you will take your balloon, and scoot your balloon out of the way. After you have that, you will take your fan, hopefully it's high powered, and you will then get it lined up so it's centered, so your balloon can move any direction. Then, you take your balloon and the giant hole of it, and you will then, what's that? Closer the fan. Make sure you can grab your fan's controls, that way you can turn it on. You're going to want the highest setting. Then you will take your balloon, lay that over. And for me, controls are on this side. Don't let your balloon get caught in the fan. You'll turn on the fan and let your balloon inflate. Once your balloon is inflated, you're going to check for seams or rips in your balloon, especially at the top. This means getting inside your balloon. Please do so. You will want to take it off the fan. Check. Once you have found a rip, you will take your tape, go around to the holes that you found. My balloon just happened to be in a fire, so we are good. That is step 1 of balloon. For step 2, if you're repairing a big rip, you're going to need some materials. This just happened to be in a fire and got burnt to crisp. So, what we're going to do is we're going to retape it with new balloons. We're going to need some masking. Well, not masking tape, just regular. Cut!
Come on.
Is it recording?
I don't know. It says REC.
Then press recording again. For step 2, repairing a big rip, that can be difficult. So what you're going to need is, you're going to need some Scotch tape, some scissors, just so you can cut the rip off, or the burnt area. And you're going to need some trash bags to fix that. As you can see, this is pretty large. This is almost the bottom piece of my balloon. So what I'm going to do is with scissors, I'm going to cut out the burnt area. So I'm just going to cut what needs to be cut off. There we go. I have the bottom piece off. Now yes, it is a little shriveled here, but I'm going to keep that. There's no need to take off what isn't fully damaged. Now this, on the other hand, I will take off. As you can probably see, it's shriveled a lot. Once you get that off, you're free to start. You have now both pieces off. Well, what you will do is try to find a trash bag almost like the one you're already using for the majority of the balloon. You will then take that bag. You'll probably want to do this away from your balloon. That way you don't cut your balloon. What you will then do is you will take the material you're going to use, put one little cut in the edge, like that. Then you're going to put the scissors right there, put 2 fingers down. I'm going to slide that fourth into the bag. And it should just slide right there. So we have one part done. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put another cut. I'm going to cut off that edge. Now as you can see, I messed up on that side, so let me go ahead and redo that. Now yeah, you might get some unfine edges, but that's life. You're going to have to deal with that when you're making a balloon like this. You can do it sideways. It does get a little bit more difficult. Yes, it does. Now I have 2 pieces that I can use. Now back to the cut. So, this is actually more like this long. But because it got pushed together, we're going to fix that. What you're going to want to do is just start somewhere random. You will then take it like that, take some tape, and just get one start on it. You will take another piece of tape, like that, and then apply it to that side, and the one on this side. Get it as close to the edge as you can. Get your balloon as spread out as possible. After getting all sides that need to be on there, take one piece on the corner, and then one piece on that corner. Once you have that, you're ready to start by taping that entire piece on. Take more of the tape, and finish doing that. If you get too big of a piece, and you want to be more conservative, you can do that. But to be safe, I try to make my seals exact and overlap enough that there won't be a problem with leakage. So I had that entire top piece done. I'm going to do this side, and I'm going to fix that side. I almost have the first part done. Okay, so this first part's done. Almost. Don't forget about that side. Okay? Cut.
Welcome to another episode of Ceilings, the great story of ceilings. This today's special is sparkly ceilings.
Wow, the break wasn't going. Ah, cut.